Hello everyone, I'm Vivian, and today I will show you how to prepare an Italian pesto. Pesto in Italian means to powder or to crush, and that is exactly what we are going to do with all our ingredients. We can buy the pesto at the supermarket, but I prefer to make it at home because it's very easy, so I don't need it. Okay, to make pesto you will need the Parmesan cheese, the pine nuts, the garlic without the germ, so this one, salt, olive oil, and the basil. Now we are going to wash and dry the leaves. We are going to wash them. Okay, the basil is ready. Now we need to mix the Parmesan cheese, the pine nuts, and a little bit of garlic because then it will be very strong. So just a little bit. Salt and process. Now we can put inside the basil and process again. Turn off the machine, clean the sides of the bowl, push it down. Again, sides of the bowl. It smells very great. Okay, the condiment is ready. Okay, the condiment is ready. You can use the pesto with your pasta, and today I will prepare the pesto with the gnocchi. Yes. Enjoy! Have fun and buon appetito! Mi viene da ridere!
La tua faccia non si vede però, eh?
Si può anche fare così.
Non ha visto niente? Fai vedere i gnocchi. Girali che non si vede no, senza la controllo. Ok, a posto. Poco. La cosa?
E gli gnocchi non li abbiamo fatti vedere.
Ma non li metti neanche sulla cosa? Farli italiani?